Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility, iPhone 7 or later and a recent iOS. Once done, inspect NFC sticker type, NTag 213, 215, or 216 because memory size controls what you can store. You open settings to ensure NFC is active and then launch shortcuts. This is where automation happens. Make a quick plan, one primary action per sticker, so you avoid overlap. Then, have stickers and a pen for placement. Make sure placement of. You now create the automation. In shortcuts, choose Automation and pick NFC. Tap Scan, hold the sticker near the top back of your iPhone until it registers, and name it so you don't confuse tags. Next, add actions. Combine quick actions like Open App, Toggle Wi-Fi, or Run Shortcut. Make sure each action runs without asking. Disable Ask before running when prompted. Once built, test by tapping the sticker. If it works, you're ready to move to physical placement and labeling. Finish by mounting the sticker on a clean, flat surface. Avoid metal or magnets. Position where your iPhone reads the tag easily. You should test several taps, angles, and phone orientations. This reveals read zone and reliability. If something fails, first rescan the sticker and confirm the tag type matches your shortcut's needs, then remove the case and try again. As a key troubleshooting tip, if automations don't run, toggle NFC off and on, reboot the phone, and then retest. That fixes most read issues promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.